Good morning, Bitcoiners. Welcome to Bitcoin for Me and More. This time we're going to talk about Bitcoin, crypto assets, technology, and the future. Bitcoin for Me and More is a book available at Amazon. And if you subscribe, retweet this video, comment, ask me any questions, I will give it to you for free. That's a good deal. Don't miss out. This is not financial advice. This is education and entertainment. Okay, today is like a green day. It's a good day if you already have Bitcoin. It's not a good day if you don't have Bitcoin. So remember to buy Bitcoin when it's low, or at least the DCA into Bitcoin. Buy a little bit every day, doesn't matter the price. Buy some Satoshis every single day or every single week. Okay, Bitcoin is up 3.4%. Ethereum is 8% up. This is good recovery. Also, just to mention, Solana 17% is doing well. Solana now. So, some very good news about Solana. Luna is up 15%. Polkadot 10%, and what else? Uniswap 9%. Near Protocol 9%. Atom 11%. And we also have one that I like. It's Phantom at 7.6%. So this is a good day at the markets. And the fear is much less than yesterday. Yesterday we were 20 extreme fear, we are 26 fear. So that's good news. Okay, let's have a look at some charts here. The liquid supply in general, the liquid supply is going up. It's going up despite the price going down, meaning that more and more people are withdrawing Bitcoin from the exchanges and put it into a cold wallet. This is really good for the confidence of the market in Bitcoin, and eventually it will result in an increase in the price. Excuse me. Also, we got this indicator here. It's basically the open interest and the perpetual swap and open interest. Well, it basically, I don't really understand it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. But when it goes red, it means that usually the price goes up. Again, here it went a little bit red and the price went up, and now it's really red. We've gone deep into the red here. So the usual thing to happen now would be a price increase until we reach another all-time high. We'll see about that, but I think this is very positive. And also, just to keep in mind, this here in yellow is the is the small fish, like you and me. Small fish. People have a little bit Bitcoin. They keep buying Satoshis, even though when the price is going down. This is really good. This means that people are getting wiser and they know that Bitcoin is going to the moon, and even when the price goes down, they keep buying. Usually weak hands, what they do is when the price goes down, they sell because they panic. But now most people are showing that they are not weak hands anymore. They have learned the lessons of the past, and now they keep stacking Satoshis because they know we are going to the moon. So this is great news. Also, if you live in Europe, I got bad news for you. This is in white is the American US inflation, and in red is the European inflation. It's gone much higher. Look at this line, spiking through the roof, and this is due to mainly to the energy problems that we're having with gas, with things with the Ukraine and all that. So yes, the only safe haven against inflation is Bitcoin. I keep telling you that, and you should put part of your money in Bitcoin, because if you got euros, your euros will be worth nothing in a few months. So just be very careful with that. Okay, we just finished January, and January has been a bad month. There's no other way to put it. I mean, we lost 20% in Bitcoin. That's bad. It's good for stacking satoshis, but in general it's bad for the price. Normally January is a bad month for Bitcoin. Traditionally, ever since the beginning, the 3 months that are bad are January, March and September. And I will show you a chart right here that shows you. Look at this. All these are the years, and this is in January. January has been the majority of months have been in the red, so losing money. February is being one of the best months, so this month is looking good. We only have 2 bad years for February, and then March is again probably bad month, and September is bad. So the best months are normally February and July, and then October, and the worst January, March and September. So there you go. We'll see if history repeats itself. What else we got? 300 US banks are getting ready to offer Bitcoin trading in 2022. There you go. They are surrendering to Bitcoin. I told you so. Also in Thailand, they were trying to approve a new law to charge 15% to anybody who basically to miners, whales, people holding crypto. And now they're gonna axe this new law, this plan, because they're having a lot of pressure from miners and from whales, and they don't want this money to escape the country. If you put 15% tax on crypto, they move to Laos or they move to Vietnam, so they don't want that. So there you go. the crypto industry is already powerful, and governments are starting to realize this is good news. Also, let's talk again about American Express. Lately I've been talking to you about Visa, MasterCard, and now American Express. American Express is going to enter the NFT market, which is okay, it's good, I guess. But also, American Express has been surpassed by in transaction volume. So the transaction volume of Bitcoin is now bigger than American Express. There you go. There you go. That's why they're getting worried, and that's why they get into crypto, NFTs, and all that. What else we got here? Also, Fidelity, a financial giant, is saying that Bitcoin is different from all the digital assets. Hello, we've been saying that for years. Now Fidelity realizes. Thank God for that. Yes, Bitcoin is different from everything else. It's completely different from any other altcoin. Completely different. Bitcoin is a store of value, while the others are trying to make a way in technology. It's a technological finance, DeFi kind of thing. So a very different animal. The only thing that you can compare Bitcoin to is gold, but it's a much better version of gold. It's digital gold, basically. So there you go. Also, in Salvador, my favorite country, Salvador, thanks to Bitcoin, is now in 2021 has made a profit of $1,460 million in foreign currency thanks to tourism, and that's related to Bitcoin. Obviously, people are going to El Salvador thanks to Bitcoin, because El Salvador is getting it's a good place to go now because it's safer. You can spend your satoshis there, you can visit the land of Satoshi and all that. So this is great news for the people in El Salvador. And not just that, look at this. They're offering mortgages in paying in Bitcoin by through the Lightning network. And thanks to that, these people that didn't have access to a bank, didn't have access to credit, now they can get a mortgage in Bitcoin and get one of these houses. They're going to build hundreds of these, and these people will be able to live in a proper place. This is great news for the people in El Salvador, and for Bitcoin as well. Also, in the future it would be more difficult to own one Bitcoin than to own a square mile of land, because there's only 24.6 millions of habitable square miles of land in the world, but there is less Bitcoins, 21 million. So there you go. Get your Bitcoin now before it's too late. That's the message. Also, if you probably read many places that Bitcoin is bad for the environment and all that. That's garbage, complete garbage. Look at this. The mining network is producing CO2 only, but only 0.08% of the all of CO2 produced in the world. So every other industry is producing more CO2 than Bitcoin, basically, and Bitcoin is storing value for $1 trillion. So complete garbage that Bitcoin is bad for the environment. And just a reminder, today at 6 p.m. 12 p.m. East Standard Time in the US, or if you are in Europe, 6 p.m. today, there is this big conference, Bitcoin for Corporations, held by MicroStrategy, and the heavyweights here are Michael Saylor, of course, Jack Dorsey, and Lee Nalden. Also, these people, I'm sure they're good, but I don't know them, to be honest. But I'm gonna be watching what they say, and maybe there will be good news there. Tomorrow I will make you a summary of what they said, and it's not only today, it's today and tomorrow. So there you go. Also, this meme that she's going down in normie land. Don't worry, son, we have Bitcoin. This is funny, but it's also a little bit tragic. Why? Because normal people that don't have Bitcoin, they're gonna find themselves in a rough situation if and when fiat money goes down, and fiat money is going down very fast, even the dollar, even the euro, as you just said. Just tell your friends, tell your family to store just a little bit in Bitcoin, just in case, because you want to be prepared for things like that. If we hit a scenario of hyperinflation like the one we see in Venezuela, or sometimes even in Argentina or Zimbabwe, that's going to be very, very rough for many people that are not used to it and that are not expecting it in Europe and in the US and in Japan and places like that. So just be very careful and make sure you have some Bitcoin, because you don't want to be in normie land. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment below, ask me any questions, and retweet this video. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.